Yellow faced violet spangles. What are you doing? Hello. The Professor's digging a hole. Are you digging a hole? Let me see your face. Hey. What are you doing? Hey? Anyway, that's not why we're here. Now, this is the cage. I decided that it wasn't big enough for 6 birds, so I'll just put 4 in. My 2 yellow-faced spangles and the girls that I chose for them. Let's have a look. An albino girl. I hope you're a girl. I think she's a girl because she was looking for a breeding box in the aviary. A purple girl, a violet girl, should I say. Let's have a look at you. Oh, settle. And the 2 violetest of the 2 spangles. There's one, and there's other. Can anyone have a look at their noses and just confirm that they think they're males? Let's have a look at your nose, sweetheart. Yeah, they're sort of oyster coloured, pinky, but with a bit of a hint of blue. Or it might be my imagination. Come on, turn your head this way, you goober. Come on. That's it. Again. Come on. And there's his buddy. Get your head up. So hopefully I've got 2 males. And these other 2 hopefully are females. Her. And this albino there. Where are you? There she is. Oh, he's brought you a stick. Okay. So that's the cage that I've got for him to be in out of the aviary. Professor's dug a hole. You can come off there, you're not going to scare them when they just got there. Look at your face. Let me see your face. Come here. What? What have you done? What have you done to yourself? Hey? Don't rub yourself on me. Oh, you're a dirty bird. Look at you. Yes. How are you going to wash that face? Hey? How are you going to wash your face? What? Come on, what? Yeah.